you guys, I know I look really different today. I normally don't wear my hair like this, so in case you were like, who is this girl on my screen? What did she do with Jamie? It's me. Trying something new, I guess, / didn't want to wash my hair, so that's where we are today. Had to address that very quickly. But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you're seeing this video, as this video is going live, my new preset is available. Well, actually, presets. That is the little surprise for today's launch. We have 2 presets and they are everything and more. They're fall presets. They're incredible. This is definitely my favorite launch yet, and they might be my new favorite presets. Like, I know a mother isn't supposed to pick favorites, but like, here I am. I am obsessed with them. I've spent so much time perfecting them for you guys because I wanted these to be just, I mean, I always spend a lot of time, but these are just extra special because they're for fall, and I wanted your fall pictures to be on point, and I wanted you guys just to have fun and get creative this season because it's such a fun time of year. So we have Citrine and Onyx, which I just love the names. Citrine is a very warm, almost like orangey red, cozy fall vibes. It's just all you could want in a fall preset. So we have that in desktop and mobile, of course. And then we have Onyx, which is a really great black and white. And each preset has a few different variations, so you guys can use them on different types of photos and different types of lighting. We also have a few bundle deals. So I have a few fall bundles. You could either get a mobile fall bundle or a desktop fall bundle, and those bundles will include both presets, so Citrine and Onyx. You can get your fall pictures on point this season, or you could just get each one depending on what you guys' preference is. They are incredible and I'm obsessed. I'm so proud of these and I cannot wait to see your guys' pictures this season. I hope you guys love it. All of that is going to be linked below. Thank you in advance for the support. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. I am so excited. I can't wait to use them this fall and just share more about them with you guys. It's just so exciting and I love launch day. So this is really fun, but for today's video, I'm doing a quick little tutorial on how you install mobile presets because I do get a lot of questions about it. Since I sell them, you guys are always asking me for advice in that area. All my presets come with instructions, but I'm just going to make this video in case you guys need a little extra help, and I can just send this to you guys when you have questions. So this is how you install a mobile preset. This process will be based off of my own website and my own purchase process. Pretty much wherever you get presets, the installation process will be pretty much identical. There just might be a few different steps along the way. So if there is, you guys should be able to navigate through them pretty easily. Once we get to the file and installing it, it should be the same for every single preset that you purchase. So this is my website. This is where you buy my presets. It will be linked below. So we're just going to base this off of the Citrine preset, my mobile version, of course. So just starting here, all you're going to do is click this little button down here that says, I want this. And this obviously is a mock-up of a card because I am logged in. You're just going to click pay once you enter your information, and then you can click view product. But if you don't, it's also going to be emailed to you. So we're eventually going to get to the same page here, the same download page. And for reference, this is the latest update on the iPhone. If you guys haven't updated your phone, I would do that because there are a few different settings that are new. So just wanted to mention that. So you're just going to click download and then confirm the download. It's going to save to your downloads, and we're going to go ahead and click that. We're going to click this little button in the top right corner, and we're going to scroll down to where it says save image. And then that is automatically going to save to your camera roll. I know sometimes it asks if you want to save it to VSCO, if you want to save it to your files. But usually if you just click save image to camera roll, save image in general, it'll be saved in your camera roll, and that's where you want it. And you'll see this is actually going to look like just a blank file. That is what we want. You don't want to see an image. I know a lot of people are often confused about that. It's supposed to be a blank image, so don't worry if you see just the white picture right here. That's what it's supposed to look like. You didn't do anything wrong. So you see that it's there. Now we're going to head over to Lightroom and we're going to upload it. So we're just going to import that to Lightroom. Sometimes it automatically uploads for you if you have that feature on, but it's going to upload and you see now it's a picture. So there we go. It has my preset. So this is a DNG file, which is basically a workable file. You can reverse the edits. You can edit it. You can, save the preset from it. You can save the settings. So what we're going to do from this file is go to these little 3 dots up in the right hand corner, and then we're going to click create preset. And then you're going to save it to whatever the preset's name is. In this case, it's named Citrine. So you're going to type that in and you're going to do the same for every single preset that you save. So obviously we have Citrine, Citrine backlit, Citrine brighten, Citrine darken. You want to name them all accordingly so you know which ones you're using when you're editing your pictures. You don't want to just, you know, be guessing on what each one is. It's better and more organized if you save it correctly. So you manually have to go in and type in the name, and then it's basically all set. Let's test it on a few more photos just because, like, we're here. Why not? Let's just mess with it, I guess. Okay, so I actually have this picture that I took on our shoot day. It's just a little selfie that was just supposed to be a little memory, and now it's in my YouTube video. So here we are. We can just go right ahead and edit. Obviously, I've saved all the other presets. You guys will obviously have to do the same process that we did for the first one for each one. And like, how gorgeous is this preset? This is basically me showing you guys that it works on a selfie type of photo. It's not too bright. It's not overexposed. The colors aren't out of control. It looks gorgeous. So I'm obsessed. It's everything. So, and you know, we're already here. Let's do one more. I have this other picture that we also took on the shoot day. And this one is just like, oh my, how gorgeous is this? Not me, but like, I mean, I'm not talking about me. You guys get what I mean. The edit, it's just the colors. It's just, oh my gosh, it's so good. Every single one looks good on this too. And I guess we could go ahead and scroll to my other preset that just released today. Also Onyx, just a really great black and white. And you can see it also works perfectly on this picture. So obviously these are all just straight up preset on the photos. I didn't do any further editing and they just laid perfectly. I didn't need to mess with it at all. Obviously every photo is going to be different and some might need editing, some might not. You guys will just have to see for your pictures, but for the most part, like, we're looking pretty good so far. So yeah, that was a little bonus, a few editing on those pictures, but that is basically how you install a mobile preset. Pretty easy. I think it seems a little bit more intimidating than it really is. It's actually a really simple process. So that is the end of this video. I hope that was easy to follow along and you guys are able to install the presets, no problem. I'm gonna have all the information linked below to my site, to the presets, all that good stuff. There's a lot of before and afters on there. Feel free to DM me if you guys have any questions, comment below. I'm very reachable. I always respond to you guys. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you guys in advance for the love and support. I so appreciate you guys so much. And this is our 4th launch, which is really exciting. Next one will be our 5th because we're going to keep dropping presets. Don't ever doubt it. They're going to keep coming. So I hope you guys love these and I love you guys. So thank you for watching. Bye.